what does that say? 37?
Yeah.
37.48. Very nice.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh my. What, 42 and a half? Yeah. 42.3.
I have only
nice.
2 dehydrated.
Come on, dude. I'm surrounded by people who are absolutely amazing.
Some energy bar.
What does it say there?
Not so bad.
27?
27.2,
27.1.
4.8. You beat me, Teo. 30.
30.3. Nice. Got there. 23.2. Man, that's with water and food.
Nice.
Right on. I'm the sissy of the group, dude. Man, all I gotta say is if I gotta carry some of your guys' stuff, I'm doomed. So hopefully I'm the one that gets hurt and you guys gotta carry my stuff, because apparently you guys are already carrying 40 pounds. Yeah.
So we went from what to
38 something to
okay, good.
Yeah, 32. There you go.
32.
Nice.
32.
Much better.
I took my makeup out.
took the hair dryer out. All right, what's up, everyone? We are over here at Mount Baldy today. We're gonna do a little overnight, a little bit more practicing for Whitney. We got our crew right over here. I'm gonna call them the crew of giants because they are all carrying weights that I could never carry myself. I would be too much of a sissy to carry. So I'm gonna follow these guys. I'm gonna try to be more like them, be as strong and as powerful as they are, and we're gonna have a good time. All right, here we are at San Antonio Falls. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but there's a bunch of kids that are over there, and they are rappelling down the falls. That is what I plan on doing tomorrow with all these guys, and we're gonna have a heck of a good time. I already talked to Paul, who's gonna be helping us out. He said that they make harnesses that can hold horses, so I'm sure he's got something for me. So you know, I'm pretty stoked that I'm gonna be hanging off a cliff just like Sylvester Stallone did in that one movie. Yep, exactly the same. So Patty, how you doing with that giant pack?
Good.
Awesome. Luis, I'm not even gonna ask, dude. I've been chasing you the whole time. So
far so good, buddy.
Awesome. Excellent. Robert, how you feeling?
I'm great.
Awesome. How about you, Teo?
Still alive.
That is a good state of being. All right, so here we are at San Antonio Falls. We're gonna keep moving up.
Take it nice and slow.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely gonna pace ourselves here.
I'll follow you.
So here we are at the Bull Trail, the most fun part of this trail. We're gonna be going up.
Excellent. I've always taken the Devil's Backbone. This is my first time up this way.
Yeah, you'll have fun. If you like steep, you'll have fun.
Right.
It is a little bit windy. That's what everyone coming down says, that the summit's a little bit windy, but yeah, it's still absolutely beautiful here today. We're just telling some jokes. It turns out that this forest is a very squatchy forest, according to Luis. So I'm going to give him credit, dude. That was pretty funny. I have never considered the forest to be a squatchy forest, but yeah. If there was a place that I would think I'd see a Sasquatch, it would definitely be in this squatchy forest. But yeah, we're having a blast, and we're continuing our way up. There you go, there's everybody. Just to show you, man, how steep this trail is. This is no joke. Look at that. The 4 machines, they are awesome, each one of them. Good times. All right, I gotta catch up with them. There goes a deer. Of course, with the GoPro, you won't be able to see it very well. Let's see if I can get a picture of it. Oh, it's going behind the rocks.
Wow. From the 1938 when they...
Oh, there you go. Oh my, look at that. Come on, just stay there for a minute.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
It's Bambi. Oh, that's a baby.
Did you say Bambi?
Yes.
yeah.
Look at her.
Two of them.
I said, here comes the dad, holy crap. Run, run.
Oh, shit, you don't want to mess with them, man. They'll jack you up.
What's up? Hey guys, how about that rock over there, huh? Yeah, you could easily see that thing from the top. Alrighty, so we made it to that pocket camp. We're gonna go ahead and leave our stuff here and trek packless all the way up to the summit. It's not too terrible far away from here at this point, and we're gonna see if we can catch a sunset. But yep, everybody's up here, just setting up a couple things and moving on. There we go, at the top of Mount San Antonio. I can't see the sign, but I'll do a 360 to prove it. There we go, no more mountain to climb. We are at the top.
Louise, I thought I was you.
Alright, let me get one of us too. Alright, Mount Baldy. We are here, the only ones.
Woo!
Alright, that's it. I'm freezing. Now let me get back to my boiling water unless it, I ruined my dinner. There you go. Got my boiling water for my spaghetti mountain house. But I got a little special something in there. I got some, some Spam in there. Always makes it taste better. There is one heck of a windstorm going on right now. And I'm once again on a windy mountain, but I think this time I'll probably be just fine. But yeah, it is windy as all get out yet again. But doing good. The enlightened equipment quilt is working great, but the thing that's kind of annoying is that there's just dust everywhere. Oh my goodness, it is just so awful right now. There's dust everywhere. Alright, talk to you guys in the morning. Hopefully things will have calmed down by then. wind has been absolutely consistent. It has not stopped at all. It's about 5 a.m. right now. We're gonna be heading down. We gotta make it back down to Mancur by 7 a.m. So we can meet everyone for rappelling a little bit later. But yeah, the wind has just absolutely not stopped, but we're finally making our way down here at 5 a.m. Alrighty, so we've made it down the goat trails over here from the summit, actually from our pocket camp that we were at. We're just about to hit up the steep part on the bowl and make our way down to the ski hut. We're probably going to take just a quick minute over there and then keep trekking our way down. Everyone's accounted for, everyone's safe. So far, so good.